In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Insta360 Smart Camera in mobile. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. To properly connect and set up your Insta360 camera, you will need to download the mobile app. So to start, open the Insta360 app. You can find it available for free on the Play Store or the App Store. Once you open the application, in order to set up the camera, first it must be powered on. So if you haven't powered on the camera, use the buttons at the side and power it on fully. Go through any setup as needed through the touchscreen, and finally tap this icon on the middle of your screen inside of the app, this yellow camera icon. Once you tap this button, it is going to look for nearby devices to pair with, including your Insta360 camera. So make sure that it is in close proximity of your phone. And as long as it was properly powered on and you are currently connected to a Wi-Fi network, it is going to appear on this list. So now you can tap on this specific camera model and proceed. It is going to ask for permission to join the Wi-Fi network that you are connected into. If this is the network that you want to proceed with, tap join. Alternatively, you can cancel and switch Wi-Fi networks. And once it is done, the camera will be connected. You can access the storage of the camera, so you can see all of your photos, videos, everything that is stored. You can see the battery levels. You can go into the settings, change various different options about the camera, and all must be done through this yellow camera icon. So it is incredibly simple to set up and use. Just download the latest version of the Insta360 mobile app. I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.